teaspoon, not much. Just maybe a little bit like this. Just try only, try.
ชิมใช่ไหม
No, just try only. I give you 10 baht only. Little bit only. One teaspoon only.
พี่หมูซื้อหนูหน่อย
I want a little bit to try. To try only. Little bit, need noise.
จะชิม
Yeah, I want to try a little bit of this. Can I try a little bit of this? Little bit.
เทสโอเคใช่ไหมเขาจะถอดเทสหน่อย
Just little bit.
หนูว่าหนูฟังถูกนะ
Little bit. To see. You can eat like this?
เนี่ย
Yeah, nice. Okay, let me see.
อันนี้เอาช้อนให้ฟังหนูจะถอดเทสหนูว่าหนูฟังถูกนะ
Creamy. Tastes like eggs mixed with some cream. The dessert. Dessert.
โค้งมา
Hmm?
โค้งมา
Snail, I know I eaten snail before, but not this.
อ๋อ
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.